The topic for discussion is calculations of concentration in mole per dm cube and concentration in gram per dm cube of acid or base during acid-base titration reaction. I want to look at past WAEC question involving calculation of concentration in mole per dm cube and concentration in gram per dm cube. But before that, I want you to note that molar concentration is equal to concentration in mole per dm cube and is also equal to concentration in mole in less than 1 dm cube, while molarity is also equal to concentration in mole per dm cube. With regard to concentration in gram per dm cube, mass concentration is equal to concentration in gram per dm cube and is also equal to concentration in gram in less than 1 dm cube, while mass in 1 dm cube is equal to concentration in gram per dm cube. I want you to also note that molar mass is always calculated for 1 mole of acid or base, irrespective of the number of mole of the acid or base in the stoichiometric equation. On the tutorial board is the question on concentration in mole per dm cube and concentration in gram per dm cube. A contain 3.65 gram in 250 cm cube of HCl solution. B is Na2CO3 solution. Calculate the 1. Concentration of B in mole per dm cube. 2. Concentration of B in gram per dm cube. I want you to note that the average volume of acid use, that is VA, is taken as 20.50 cm cube. The volume of base pipetted, that is VB, is taken as 25 cm cube. The equation of reaction is 2 mole of HCl plus 1 mole of Na2CO3 to give 2 mole of NaCl plus 1 mole of CO2 plus 1 mole of H2O. From the equation, number of mole of acid, that is Na, is equal to 2 and the number of mole of base, Nb, is equal to 1. Question 1 on the tutorial board is calculation of concentration of B in mole per dm cube. No information is given on B. Therefore, concentration in mole per dm cube is calculated using Ca multiplied by Va divided by Cb multiplied by Vb equal to Na divided by Nb as shown on the tutorial board. To calculate concentration of B in mole per dm cube, that is Cb, make Cb the subject of the formula, and we have on the tutorial board Cb equal to Ca multiplied by Va multiplied by Nb divided by Vb multiplied by Na. The value for Va, Nb, Vb, Na are given, but the value for Ca, that is concentration in mole per dm cube of A, is not given, but it can be calculated using concentration in gram per dm cube of A divided by molar mass of A as shown on the tutorial board. The concentration in gram of A in the question is given in 250 cm cube, and the concentration in gram per dm cube of A can be calculated using simple proportion method as shown on the tutorial board. If 250 cm cube of A contain 3.65 gram of A, therefore 1000 cm cube of A will contain 3.65 divided by 250 multiplied by 1000, and the concentration in gram per dm cube of A equal to 14.6 gram per dm cube. On the tutorial board, the molar mass of A, that is HCl, is calculated as follows: 1 for hydrogen plus 35.5 for chlorine to give us 36.5 gram per mole. Therefore, Ca equal to 14.6 which is the concentration in gram per dm cube, divided by 36.5, which is the molar mass, and Ca is 0.4 mole per dm cube. Substitute all values for Ca, Va, Na, Vb, Nb into the formula for Cb on the tutorial board, and we have Cb equal to 0.4 for Ca, multiplied by 20.50 for Va, multiplied by 1 for Nb, divided by 25 for Vb, multiplied by 2 for Na, and Cb equal to 0.164 mole per dm cube. Question 2 on the tutorial board is the calculation of concentration of B in gram per dm cube. Concentration of B in gram per dm cube is calculated using the formula concentration of B in mole per dm cube multiplied by molar mass of B. The molar mass of B on the tutorial board is calculated as follows: 23 times 2 for sodium, plus 12 times 1 for carbon, plus 16 times 3 for oxygen, and that gives us 106 gram per mole. Therefore, concentration of B in gram per dm cube will equal to 0.164 multiplied by 106, and the answer is 17.38 gram per dm cube.